Right, so Rigetti price action has done a 180 and is now a case of sell the rally as opposed to buy the dip, which is an interesting and amusing development for sure, given everything that I've been saying over the weeks leading up until this moment. It's really interesting. It's great. The people who are in my community in Substack are having a great time, learning about how these things work, and it's fascinating. So. The market broadly is now focused back on the high quality companies. Of course, that's why the Nasdaq is now trading at an all-time high, which was facilitated, of course, by the friendly soft CPI print, which came in at zero point 0.2 versus zero point 0.3 month on month earlier on today. So we lined up going into the weekend, and then the focus will obviously become the big tech next week, and those AI capex guides, which are critical pillars for this market. But we know the Nasdaq is now essentially levitating again into the next week, and there's every chance that we see some strong earnings from at least two or three of the big boys, and we end up melting up higher. But I would imagine we fade before Wednesday kickoff, which is Microsoft on Wednesday night, of course. So we'll see. But the rest of my book is after a hugely profitable few months or couple of months. My book was up like 100% in the last couple of months. It's a moment now for risk management, chopping around, and preparing for the big events of next week, quite frankly. So Illuma stays in the book. QQQ short, which has obviously been quite painful, stays in the book. But the longs have done their job. Oracle, I took some profits in Oracle today. I've got Plug in there. I've got Viking Therapeutics in there. Rigetti short has been making money, of course. PayPal's in there on the long side. And Pfizer, of course, which is more of a defensive play. But nonetheless, the book is up a little bit on the week. Nothing special, but it's more about just trading and risk managing this market that we're in right now, which is a fascinating market and a hell of a lot healthier than it was, quite frankly, because the names that are now leading the market are the high quality companies, and some of the other really expensive speculative parts of the market have calmed down and or seeing some more volatility. So we'll see, but the focus now is firmly on next week and the earnings. So everyone have a great weekend, and I am signing off.